Okay, kids, time for school.
Oh, school!
Yeah, school!
School!
Now we're gonna learn how to do a circumcenter right now. What? You got it? Okay. Okay, little Billy, you ready to make a circumcenter?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Do you know what a perpendicular bisector is? You have to make 3 perpendicular bisectors for a circumcenter, alright, little Billy?
Okay.
Now you put a little loopty here, and then you put another loopty about up here, and then you go on this side.
Oh, loopty.
Yeah, loopty. That's what we're called. That's how I was taught.
Oh.
Then you make another loopty in there. Make another loopty here, and then you get your straight edge.
Straight edge.
Yes, straight edge, duh. You should know this by now.
Oh.
And then you connect the 2 loopties that connect. Simple enough. Ta-da!
Wow!
There you have a circumcenter.
Oh!
Do you get it?
Kinda.
Yeah, okay then. Little Billy, shut up! Alright, little Billy. Are you ready for in-center?
I guess.
You mean yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the spirit. Billy, you ready for in-center?
Okay, I guess.
Alright, we get a straight edge and a pencil, as usual, and make
Another straight edge?
Yep, and guess what we're making right now?
Centroid?
No! Triangle!
Oh, I know what that is.
You can't have an in-center without a triangle.
Okay.
Alright, you got that?
Crystal clear.
Alright, good. That is a triangle. Now, to make an in-center, you know what we gotta do?
What's that?
We gotta get 3 angle bisectors, and where they meet, that's when we can figure out how to make an in-center.
Okie dokie.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's do this.
Yeah.
We make another loopty,
Oh.
but this time we make the loopty on the line.
Oh.
And then we make it on the other line of this angle.
Whoa.
Yeah, that sure
That's
is.
incredible.
Yeah. Now, we connect this loopty and this loopty. Alright?
Okay. Let's
And
go.
Alright, well, anyway, whatever. Alright, what you do, you make sure this and this are the same. Make sure you have the same length on your compass that you
Okay.
do for these. And then you make more loopties.
Whoop de whoop whoop whoop.
And now for the angle bisector, you get where these loopties meet, and you connect them right to this corner, or vertex, or whatever you prefer to call it.
Yeah.
And now, that's an angle bisector. Now, we have our center of our triangle.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay for center.
Yep. And now, we do almost the same thing as a circumcenter, but instead of connecting it to this corner out here, we connect it to one of the sides. And then the in-center is going to be a circle on the inside of the triangle, instead of like the circumcenter,
Ooh.
where it was outside the triangle.
Okay.
And right here, that is our in-center.
Oh boy.
Yep. So, did you get all that, little Billy?
Well, I kinda.
What's wrong?
Can we just start from the beginning?
The beginning?
Yeah, the beginning.
Well...
Me hungry!
No, not that far in history. Not
What?
that far back.
Well, how far back, little Billy?
I'm I meant from the beginning of this.
Oh, well, okay. So, you want to learn the beginning of geometry?
Yes, I do.
Well, alright. This is a protractor!
Ooh.
This is a straight edge.
Wow.
This is a pencil.
Whoa.
And this is a bone.
What?
Huh? Anyway, so now that you know what tools we'll be using for geometry class, we will learn how to copy an angle.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copying an angle. This is gonna be fun, alright, little Billy?
Yeah, it is.
So to copy an angle, we need this angle because if we don't have an angle, we have nothing to copy it off of, right? So we make a line segment, which is the start of our copied angle. Now what we do, we get our trusty compass, we make some loop-these from the vertex.
I gotta love the loop-these.
And now that we have these, make sure this is always the same size. Put one here on this other line segment.
I see.
Alright, now we have that. Now, what we do, we measure how far these lines are apart. Now we put it here. Measure how far the vertex is from this higher angle.
Yeah.
And we keep it the same size. And put it on this loop that we made. And now where these two loop-these cross.
You have to make a line.
That's right. And what does that look like?
The same angle that was over there.
Yeah!
This is the best thing ever.
Boom!
Okay, now this is how we bisect an angle. Got it? Alright, so what we do, pretty much almost the same thing as copying an angle. We start off the same way. We get our two loop-these that are the same length apart, alright?
Those loop-these are very important.
Yes, they are. And we measure how far across they are from each other. And we put some random loopies out here.
Oh, random.
Yeah.
That's so random.
That's because that's how life works. Alright, now where these two, these loop-these, meet, we connect to the vertex.
Vertex.
Yes. And right here, that is the bisect of an angle. Little Billy, are you ready to... Oh, jeez. Well, I guess we can get to work. Little Billy, no, Little Billy, Little Billy, pay attention.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, jeez. And you know what we're doing next?
No.
We're going to be constructing a perpendicular line from a point not on the line.
Oh.
Oh yeah. This is one of the most interesting things in geometry to do. Because it has quite a bit of steps. That's why it's so fun.
Okay.
Alright, now we get our compass. We put the pointy part on the dot. That's not...
Oh.
Little Billy!
Sorry.
Oh, jeez. Kids. Alright, anyway. We get this... Now we have that. We put the pencil just quite a little bit past the line that's right here. And we make a loop-de. Alright? Now what we do with this compass, we measure so that it's a little more than halfway between these 2 points.
Yep.
But not past it and not less than halfway.
Okay.
But anywhere will work within those area. Okay?
Certainly.
Anyway, now we have that. Make a loop-de here.
Loop-de.
Then we make a loop-de here.
Loop-de.
And you know what we do when these two loop-de's cross?
What's that?
What we always do. We connect them to this point not on the line.
Ooh.
And here you have your perpendicular line from a point that was not on a line.